Hello, this is Mr. Ione. Today we're going to be looking at setting up a Google Doc with inserted photographs of drawn pictures. So the first thing we want to do is we're in our Google Drive and we're going to click New and we're going to select Google Docs. We want to give it some kind of file name that will be easily recognizable. So I'll put over here Ione Stay in Home Experience. Okay, and then we're going to set up the Google Doc. We want it to be double spaced. So I'm going to go over here, see this line spacing icon. We're going to go to double, and I'm going to put my name up here. C. Ione. The name of the assignment is Illustrated Stay in Home Experience essay. And we're going to put the name of the class, Art 6, period 3. And lastly, you're going to put in the date April 14, 2020. And we're going to hit return. And then we're going to put a title in there. So we're going to set the alignment to center for the title. And I'm going to put my experience and stay in home. Okay, I could probably come up with a better title than that, but we'll leave it at that for now. Now we're going to go back to left align. When you're double spaced something, you want to indent. So I hit the tab key, and I'm going to start my essay. My stay in home experience has been very interesting indeed. Okay, and then new paragraph. First, I have done a lot of walking. I walked my dog. I walked alone. I walked with my wife. Okay. Bottom line, I did a lot of walking. Second, I watched a lot of television. Whoop. I watched Netflix movies and shows. I watched the news. I watched boxing matches on DAZN. I watched ESPN. Needless to say, I watched a lot of TV. Third, I played a lot of games using my stepson's PlayStation 4. I played lots and lots of video games. Tab in here. Fourth, I did some karaoke. I sang at the mic for hours on end. I kind of lied about this, but anyway, you get what I mean, and I'd write a paragraph about that. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to insert some pictures. So I'm going to model putting up a picture. So for me, I've got this photo booth. You might have another app on your Chromebook. So I go over here, I take my picture, hello, and put it here. And I go like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and go File, Export. And I'll export this to my desktop. and I'll call it One Walking Dog. Okay. Now I'm going to go over here and find photos. And take over here, photos. And I'm going to find my picture that I just have up here, drag it in here. And here it is. Now, I have an edit button here in photos. I'm going to click edit. And I want to rotate this a little bit, like that. I want to crop it. Excuse me. Like that. That's kind of a shame. Let's get more of a picture. There we go. And we're going to click done. We're going to file, and we're going to export this. Whoa, here we go. Export. Desktop. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to my document. And I'm going to click Insert Image, Upload from Computer. And I'm going to go with this one. Open. Okay, and I've got some other pictures I've taken, so I'm going to go ahead and insert those pictures as well. Insert Upload. And we're going to go to TV. Open. And we're going to go over here to Insert Image. Upload from Computer. I'm going to do 3 games. Okay, and then lastly, insert a last image. So you can find it, karaoke. There we go. Okay, and so there I've got my Google Doc now with pictures. Now I can go back to my Google Classroom and submit that as my assignment, and hopefully I've done a nice enough job that I get an A. Anyways, I know this is very quickly done and not ideal, but this hopefully gives you an idea of what I'm looking for and how you might do that. Now I understand that you use a different platform. You use Chromebooks. I've got the MacBook Air. So you're going to have to fiddle around with it. Hopefully you can figure out. If not, feel free to reach out to me and I'll do the best I can to help you out. Hopefully this has been helpful and we'll talk soon. Thank you very much.